Good morning, guys. This is Alan here, and another day, another trade that I want to break down and share with you guys. So, a lot of you guys might be looking at where this fib is coming from. I'll get into that in a little bit, but first things first, I want to show you guys that the sell side target has been tagged right here. Open range gap, constant encroachment. You just go to regular trading hours, grab the high of that to the low of that. You should get this. Right, you see price coming down text really nicely. First presented fair value gap here, 90-minute work structure here. I prefer the 90 minutes. It's kind of something that I like to use for myself. But yeah, 90 minutes there. And let's go through on the chart. So I'm looking at price to push higher into this highs here and ultimately up here, right? I use ES as kind of like the pair that I kind of want to use. So you break down ES, first presented here, right? So I pull them back side to side. Let's do NQ here. Let's do ES here. Yeah. So I'll go back to show you guys ES really quick. Yes, first presented here. As you guys can see, correlated. All right. So I want ES to run these highs here. I want 5 for ES to make it a little easier. Run these highs here. It allows me to take out this high. Obviously for NAS, right here, price already ran above their own heights here. So ES is kind of stalling. And once I saw that, I kind of got in longs on NAS. I'm expecting to go higher, and I'll break that down for you on my Top Step account. Give me 1 second to get that over for you. Okay, there you guys go. So you can tell I got in longs here, 5 micros there, 1 more micro here. Trades up higher above these highs here. I take a little small partials out because I realized I kind of risked a little too much. Price TPs me out, 944 partials. Hovers. I take another partial out, and I ultimately close up here when price had that really aggressive shot higher from ES and NAS. So it ran above these highs here, and then I just manually closed it. So it kind of like gapped higher, traded into this. This was my target, so traded into it. I just manually closed it. So there you go. And yeah, that's it. That's for $300 for today. The account still all followed. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Nothing too crazy. I was using both markets for this. Something I also like to do. But yeah, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis breakdown. And if you guys have any questions or anything you guys want me to cover, just let me know down in the comments below, or just share what you guys did today in the markets, and I'll be more than happy to look over it, and say, hey, this is something I would have taken if I was there, or if I wouldn't have. But yeah, good luck and good trading, you guys.